Hey guys, I'm back with another unboxing video right now here on my channel. So I got already my keep spinning trading cards here. Okay, there, and another one there. So it just came in yesterday, and I got also Youngjae's photo set. So right now let's do this unboxing video. First is we should unbox this Youngjae's photo set. Oh wait a minute, I'll just show you the back part of it. There. So yes, let's try to unbox it right now. I got this on the mail yesterday. So here's the Youngjae. Oh, okay. It's a photo set. So here's the first photo. Second, the back part is the same as it goes. Another one. Yeah, dude. And here is another Youngjae. Yeah. And here, he's so cute here. He's really cute. Oh yeah, these two photos are so cute. Youngjae is so adorable, dude. Okay, and I'll just put it back out here. Okay, and here's another trading cards set. So this is a total of 5 sets. So let's open this up now. Okay, so excited. I wish I got I'm not into collecting anymore. I will just sell this stuff so I hope I can get some group photo cards. Oh, here it goes. Yu-Gi-Oh. So there's a light stick. Yeah, Youngjae. Oh, a bird, so cute. Another Youngjae. Oh, dude. Oh, I got Youngjae. Most of the parts I got Youngjae. So 13.9 and Yu-Gi-Oh. Oh, star, so cute. Here. What? Okay, so that's the back part. So let's just try to get it to this. And let's go to the other card. So here's it goes. Okay, spinning trading cards set. Let's open there. So excited. GOT7. Keep spinning. Oh, what's happening this? Get damage. I don't know. So, oh, same. Oh my god, I get it. Maybe it's a duplicate. Oh my gosh, dude. I'm on. I think this is a duplicate again. Oh, it's the same. Why? Okay, so I got a duplicate. So, but anyway, guys, I got duplicates. So, anyway, that's okay. It's fine. I'll just trade this for the group photo set. I mean group cards. So I will just trade this soon. Hate it! Oh my gosh. Why? Anyway, so I'll just put it back, everything here. I got the same cards. So yeah, I got all the same cards. So That's it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. See you in my next unboxing video. Bye.